Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll continue learning CSS properties, and today we're learning new properties for stylish our text. Let's start it. First we added class for our text, and we'll using this class. Okay, the first property, you can control color your text. Its name color. Thanks to this property you can change color your text. Let's look at the window. How you see text color our text is changed. We can use any colors like red, black, blue, yellow and other different colors. We can using any formats like RGB. Okay, I think it's simple property and we can go to the next property. Next property, text alien. Thanks to this property you can control position your text. We can add center, and now our text position on center, but we also can using left and right. It's very useful property because we often need to change position our text. Okay, let's go to the next properties. Weight. Font weight. Thanks to this property you can control weight your letters. Let's try to change weight our letters. Like you see, and our letters became bold, but we also using other numbers like 400, 600, 500 and other. But we also can to using word like bold, normal, and other. The next property helps you to change size your text. Its name font size. Thanks to this property you can control size your text. It's the most popular property because we often need to change size our text. Like you see, we can add any number, and like you see, size our text is changed. But we also can using RAM. Like you see, it's also work, but I often use pixel because I'm used to it. Okay, let's the next property. Next property names is font family. You can control font in your text. We can use these fonts, or we can go to another websites like Google fonts, and we can using those fonts, or we can download other fonts and other art. But next, when we connected our fonts, we need to using this property, because if we don't using this property, our font don't change. Like you see, our text is change font. Okay, let's do the next property. It names font styles. You can control styles your font, like italic, initial and other. Like you see now, our font change styles. It's also a useful property, but I using it not a lot. Okay, next the following. Text decoration. Thanks to this property, you can add some decoration to your text, like underline, and now our text add line. But it's very useful when you create link and you need to remove the line. You can using this property. The following property, text transform. Thanks to this property, you can manipulate many parameters, like thanks to this property, you can change register your text. You can using uppercase. Thanks to this parameter, text became the upper case. And the end will show in the last property. Thanks to this property, you can create shadow for your text. Let's try. We add some parameters. Okay, like you see, our text has shadow. We can control the shadow thanks to these parameters, and we can change size, color, and position our shadow. Okay, it's work. And also I forgot one very important property. Thanks to this property, you can change space between letter. It's named letter spacing. Let's try. Like you see, we add space between letter, but we also add line height thanks to this property. Thanks to this property, you can control space between your line. Okay, today I showed you the most popular property for stylish your text. If you like this video, please subscribe in the channel and see you in the next video.